Craving a gourmet dinner? Let's make a luxurious mushroom and truffle lasagna in just 60 seconds. Slice 400 g of mixed mushrooms, cremini, shiitake, oyster. Heat 2 tbsp olive oil, sauté onion and garlic. Add mushrooms, thyme, salt, pepper, cook until golden, then drizzle in 2 tbsp truffle oil. Smells divine. Layer bechamel sauce, lasagna sheets, mushroom mix and mozzarella in a dish. Repeat 3 times. Top with bechamel, mozzarella and parmesan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes until bubbly and golden. Garnish with parsley, slice, and dig in. This cheesy, truffle-infused lasagna is pure comfort food. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes.